Okay, we'll have a look at the next lesson now. Okay. Yep. Right after the lesson you missed.
Can I copy and modify and adapt and reproduce this book?
No.
Without the prior release?
You do not have my permission.
It doesn't have the name of it. Oh, see.
Yeah, if you just kept reading there, you'd see it. Okay, so listen up now. So just to clear up some vocabulary, just to be clear. This is a sequence, but this here is a series. Yeah, we have that, yeah. Not today, though. So we have sequence and series. Sequence is what we did in the last class. Series now is the same as a sequence, except you add all the terms together. That's the difference. So series is just the sequence with the terms added together. Okay? So for example, this is a sequence, and then this is a series. So that's vocabulary first, okay? Now, just like with the last lesson, we have a formula. So let's have a look at that, or notation, I should say. So for example, if I write something like this, yeah. What does that mean? What? Yeah. That's it, yep. You start with n equals 1 and you put that inside the general formula and you would get a 6. Then after 1 is 2, of course, so you get 11. And then next is 3, you get 16, 21, and finally 26. The reason I stop here is because I've reached n equals 5. So you start with n equals 1, put it inside, and continue until you get n equals 5. And you add them together. So can someone type them in, please? What is it? 80. Okay. All right, let's have a look at another example now. Yeah, another example. So let's say this one here is a little bit different because I don't start at 1, which is okay. So I start with 2. 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared plus 6 squared. What's that, please? 90. In the exam, if you get this, you must write it like this to get the full marks. But you can do this on your calculator. Your calculator has this function on it. Yeah, it's up top left, isn't it? Yeah. Top right, is it? Yeah. So can we just practice here? Only use this in the exam to check your answer. So shift and then it's on the log button here. Yeah. On this one it is. Hey guys, right. Yusuf, the same. Listen up. I would like you to do this with me at the same time, okay? So first you press Shift, and then the lock button has the symbol on it. Yeah? Your calculator. Dada? Don't even try. It doesn't matter. Same for yours. Do you have it on yours? Yeah. Guys, hey, listen. Listen. I don't know.
No.
Listen.
Yeah, I'm
All I want you to do, not top, type the button, Shift and the summation button. It's on the log key. Don't say anything. Just let me know if you can't find it on your calculator. It should be on the 991 Casio. If you don't have a Casio 991, then you probably, or you may actually not have this option. Now when you type it, you should get something that looks like that symbol on your screen, yes? And how many boxes are there? 3. 3 boxes. So go down to the bottom box and type in 2. Then go up to the top box and type in 6. Okay? Then go right to left. That's weird. Go left until you get to the middle box. Now, in the middle box, the formula is n squared. But yes, you don't use n on the calculator to type it in. You have to type x squared. And you can see it's the red X above the number 9. See the red X there? So press alpha, and the... Oh, I'm going to do the square one actually, yeah. Press alpha and the X button, and then squared.
How do you put the I in?
The I in?
Yes. I had
No, you don't. You just type the numbers in. Now, I want to see this on your calculator just to make sure. So show me. Good, okay. Good, okay. Yeah, great. And press equals. Yeah. You can't do this in the exam. You won't get any marks. But you can do it to check your answer. Do you understand? So it's good. You can use it to check your answer. And then you know if you got full marks. It's easy to make a mistake here. Okay? Let me give you one to try. Oh, by the way, I didn't actually tell you the name of this symbol. What's the name of this symbol here? Okay. You be quiet now. Sigma is the Greek name, or you can just call it sum or summation.
What
Yeah.
does 6 mean?
6 is where you stop.
But if you start in 5.
In the 6th term.
When n is 6.
It starts and end.
Start and end. Yeah. So if you look here, this is how it works. You write something here, n equals a number, and then you write a number here. This is where you start, and then this is where you end. And each time you take the number and put it inside the formula. So first number, next, until you get to the end here. I want to give you one to try. Okay, can I scroll down? Yeah. N equals 1 to 6. 1 over n squared. Calculate this, please.
Calculator or just
Bit by bit, please. Because that's what you need for the exam. Okay, what did we get? What is it? 1.5, was it? Now, I'd like you to type this in again on the calculator, but this time you can just do the quick way, because it's quite a large number here.
So, can you explain how did you solve the first one?
Yes, Hussein, I can. So, you put 1 in first. 1 over 1 squared is 1. Then you put 2 in. 1 over 2 squared, 1 over 4. Then you put 3 in. 1 over 3 squared, 1 over 4 squared, 1 over 5 squared, and then 1 over 6 squared.
Okay.
What is it?
So until we get to
1.19.
the maximum, which is 6.
1.5.
1.63? Yeah? Now, has that changed much?
No.
No. But has this number changed much? Yeah. So, tell me, do you think if I do something like this, yeah, will I get infinity? Or will not? Yeah. What do we think?
Yes, you'll get it.
You don't. Shh. Now, if you continue to add without limit, it converges. This one here converges. Okay? The reason it converges, if you think about it, each time n gets bigger, what happens to 1 over n squared?
Small.
It gets smaller. So you add a piece, then you add a smaller piece, then you add a smaller piece, and a smaller piece, and you keep adding smaller pieces. So the total is not infinite, it's finite. Okay? And in fact, we will do some examples of this in a later class. Okay? Not this one though. This one's too difficult. Because
The end is quite far.
this one here actually will end up equaling pi squared over 6. Okay? So why don't you type in pi squared over 6? You should get something about 1.6 or so. Yeah.
1.64.
1.64. Yeah. So if you continue to add more pieces to this formula, you actually get a particular answer at the end. Now we won't do that. Later we'll do problems like this one. We'll do 1 plus a half plus a quarter plus an 8 and so on. Does anyone know what this will add up to? If you can visualize it, okay? Visualize here. Look. Imagine these were meters, okay? So I walk 1 meter, okay? Then half a meter, then a quarter, then an eighth, then a 16th, and so on. What do you think the total might be? 2 meters, yeah. Yeah. There's the one at the start, yeah. And this will equal 2. Okay? So, I mean, we will do these types of problems, but not today. For today's lesson, it's all just about practicing this notation here. Okay? So, like I said, not so difficult, this one. Okay? This one has come up in the exam, but definitely section A, you know, for maybe 3 marks. Again, just like the last lesson, it's all about using your calculator, really. Okay? So, let's make it simple. Down the side. Okay? Down the side. You can start now. Did you get this finished or? Halfway, okay. Yes. Go on. Yes. Get working.
Can we go back to
Yeah, let me just stop this.
No, don't stop it, don't stop it.
No, stop the recording. Or you want to hear what I'm about to say? Okay, go back where?
Go back. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, here.
Yeah?
The number, the 6, like in the top.
Yeah.
And we only use like 5.
No. La, 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 la. Go, yeah. La. Now listen. You start with n equals 2 and you stop with n equals 6.
Don't start like at 1, yeah.
No.
I just get it. I have like 1.
Tamam?
Come on.
Good.
He speaks Arabic better than you.